Home Remedies presents
How to remove hair dye naturally. Nothing is worse than a dye job gone wrong. This is fairly common for those who color their hair at home. But calm down. Now take a deep breath because there is a solution. Baking soda. You will need 3 tablespoons baking soda, 4 tablespoons anti-dandruff shampoo, 1 tablespoon dish washing soap, a shower cap or plastic bag. Procedure. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until you get a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture onto your dry hair until it is completely saturated. Cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag and leave the mixture on for about 20 minutes. Wash your hair with warm water. Condition well. How often you can use that? 2 to 3 consecutive days. How this works. This method effectively fades semi-permanent hair color. The dishwashing soap's harsh detergents will considerably strip color after the first wash.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.